Hi friends, welcome to Vijay Tech 360. So in this video we are going to see about the core architecture components available in the Azure. So let's come to the topics that we are going to discuss today. So these are the core Azure architecture components. So the first one we are going to discuss about the region, and then after we have a special regions available in the Azure that we are going to talk, and we have a region pairs and geographies, availability zones, availability sets, resource group, and Azure Resource Manager. So these are the architecture components available in the Azure. So let's talk about the region. So a region is a geographical area on the planet containing at least one but potentially multiple data centers that are in close proximity and networked together with a low latency network. So what does this mean is a region is a physical location available in the world, okay? But what does this contain? It contains at least one data center, okay, potentially multiple data centers. So Microsoft ensure that at least one data center is available, okay? If possible, they will keep multiple data centers, and these multiple data centers very close to each other, okay? They are very close to each other and they are networked with a high speed network, okay? And what does this give us is if you have a multiple data centers, you will have a disaster recovery mechanism.